Hello and welcome to our newest video. Our buddies over at Tank Tuff Targets sent us some targets to shoot up. They also sent us a hitch cover just to show the different stuff that they do. They do human silhouettes. They also do 45 targets, and they do prairie dogs. They're a resetting spring target, so they're reactive that when you shoot them, they'll go down and then they'll spring back up. They'll take handgun calibers up to 44 Magnum, no closer than 25 yards. And they also take rifle calibers up to 30-06, no closer than 100 yards. They'll take rifle calibers past 30 caliber if they're going over 3,000 feet per second. They have to be 200 yards or further away, but they will hold up to those targets. Much than just chip the paint off the Tank Tuff Target, so let's see how we do with a bigger caliber. Well, it looks like the 38 Special did the same thing and just took the paint off. Using the Ruger Super Red Hawk, all it did was scratch the target a little bit. With most handgun calibers at 25 yards, they hold up pretty well. We don't have a 500 Smith & Wesson to check out to see if it would hold up to them, but if it holds up to a 44 Magnum with the critical defense rounds, I'm pretty sure it'll hold up to the 50 caliber handgun. If you'd like to see pictures of today's targets, you can visit them on our Facebook page, which is listed below. Or you could purchase targets directly off of us, or purchase them off of www.tanktuftargets.com. Tank Tuff Targets are 100% USA made, and they have a bunch of different varieties of targets. They don't just do the poppers, they also do human silhouette targets and other types of steel targets. They're very high quality made, and I'd like to thank you for watching.